Hi, in front of me is UMIDIGI A3S, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings, scroll all the way down and click on System. Now language is an input, virtual keyboard and currently used keyboard, in my case Keyboard 1. Go into Theme and tap on the plus sign under My Themes. Over here you can select a photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click Next. Adjust brightness and tap Done. Lastly, tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and choose Allow. Now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!